So basically, the new way that I started thinking about it is I'm the coach, as like a sports team, right? So if what does the coach do? The coach picks the players, he makes the plays, and he kind of gives the trajectory of where we're going to go and how we're going to compete. Right. And so what I have to start evaluating is who is the quarterback, who's on the team, how are they showing up, how are they performing, are they in the right position? Because sometimes you got the right people, but they're in the wrong position. And that's now become my job to make sure that I'm maximizing for the team. And so it's a difficult thing, but I used to think that I had to do this stuff. I had to be the quarterback. I had to be in there throwing the plays. I wanted to be in the field, but then I'm not seeing what's actually happening because I'm in the game. I'm in it. I'm feeling the emotions. I'm running the adrenaline. Things are going too fast. I'm only seeing it from one perspective. When I get outside of the game, when I'm not like doing the stuff inside of the business, now I'm able to see it like a coach is. I'm able to see what the quarterback might not be seeing because he's in the game. I'm seeing what the other people are now doing, and basically an analogy for business and real estate. Now I can see what the market's doing. I can see the trends. I can go learn new things. So it just helps me a lot with that. So anyway, that's like what I'm starting to evaluate now is, okay, who's the people on the team? And are they in the best spot to maximize that business, which is a tough thing, especially whenever it's like you like the people, but they're not in the right position in order to maximize and scale the team. But like if we have an opportunity to get an all-star player for the same cost and it's going to make that thing scale up, that's what we have to start looking at and considering.